Yeah, welcome to Richminded Skills, Home of Opportunities. And today I just want to come and update you and pass through this trading, how it's been executed. My name is Joe, and what I have told you now, it is not a theory. What you are just about to see is not a theory, it's just a real trade and a real gold south trade executed on live chart with real price, real time, and real market movement. Watch carefully because this is where most traders get it wrong. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel, join my Telegram channel for free for real updates, and if you want to robot or anything or any help, feel free to reach me. All my contact details are in description. Okay, so let's just go in now. Look at this carefully, very carefully. This is gold XAUUSD. It is just on one. I just executed it on 1 hour, but the chart you're seeing now is just on 4-hour time frame. And one thing you must understand: the market respects price, time, and structure. Every movement you see here is driven by real numbers, not guessing, not guessworks. So everything you see inside is the board. All the pairs have been executed by MM3 FLIP CODEPRO, and also it added some trades again. And you see it is just in profit of about $100. Now let's just break down this exact trade. The robot executed sell position on, it was just on April 2026. As you see, the trade was just taken on. The first trade was just 14.22. Entry prices you see there 47. It is just 47 to 38. Others 37. All the prices I see in the market. So this is not just that this is the straight from the trading terminal, so you can just go and verify it on your own. We can just check the prices and how they move, and the candles, how everything is just moving. It is MT5 we are using inside here. So the market did not go straight into profit. See, it is just going some drawdowns. It's just going on some raids. It is just, you see now it is almost 160 bucks, but it cannot just go straight, like, okay, because it is a robot, so it's just going straight to the profit. It just moves slightly against the trade a little bit. We just see, you see the candles. The candle is just like a buying candle, while so we are still on the right track. So let's just continue seeing. It is almost 130, 145. Yeah. So all this were just all this is where most traders fail. It just moves slightly or to the trade, just creating drawdown, so creating, just coming lower. There's many of traders fails where, if you get a robot, you understand that the robot maybe will just doing this and this. You don't see losses in the robot. Maybe when someone is just reviewing like this one, as you can see now, there's some losses inside there. It was just 160, but now it comes down to 53 to 71, 60. It's just that way. So this is where somebody can say, okay, let me close. You close, you do not get profit much, but that's how everything goes. And this is where they see also small lows, they panic, they close earlier, like maybe you can close maybe just going up to 40. So maybe I'm going to lose it, or maybe the price has changed, because you don't understand how the structure, the market are just going and everything. This education don't have it, but instead that, okay, I already have a bot, so you know that when I have the bot, everything is done. Yeah, that's okay, that's a good, but you have to add that even the robot also is a man-made Even God created human and we die and we get sick. God only, you just talk about God. God created human, He created you, but you get sick, you get injured, you get maybe sometimes you get dangerous things maybe in you. Sometimes you get difficult. So that's the reality even in the trading robot also. There's times sometimes it gets not well as you expected. You have to understand all this inside, but the thing is just to trade and or at this on your plan and the move that is okay. Maybe I'm just only just trading London session and New York session, because that time is the when the market is just getting, or we're just executing my trades on from 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day. This is where I get all these. But before I just execute that, I make sure all the at least four time frame are also aligned. Maybe sometimes also I do mistake because I also a human. Sometimes I do mistakes. Maybe sometimes I get lows. Though that doesn't mean that when I use the robot that I am 100% that I'm not making. There's nobody in this world who is not making loss in any business. So, but listen careful. Drawdown is a part of every trading. Part of every trading, every real strategy. A drawdown is just a part of it. It does not mean the trade is wrong. Now, the drawdown does not mean the trade is wrong or what. No, but it is just the part of real strategy. Yeah. It just means the market is still forming direction, because it has go down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's the market movement. That's how always the market is just always on it. So now watch what happened next. The overall direction was just sell, and the market respected that. Now it is just going on it. Just zoomed it on in. You see the chart. Now it's just about 120. It's just coming to our side. You see, now it just respected it from the entry of 47, 37. You see, price moved down step by step. Moving down step by step. Breaking structure, forming lower lows. It is just going step by step, until we'll see how each and everything where it is just going. So there's no we just focus. We are just focusing like this is the movement approximately. So this is what we focus on. We focus on waiting and just making it happen. So we have to give it time, no hype. You see the move of the market and everything. So, and I want to be very clear here. I'm not talking about total profit. I'm showing you how market moved and the robot executed each and everything. From first execution to the last where I will just end it, because what matters is in trading. Because that's what matters on trading. We have to not focus on the profit made on that time, but we have to focus how do the robot take a trade, where do the robot take a trade. Do we fight the trend or not fighting the trend, how it is just going. That's the thing we have to focus in much and more than everything. How the price is just going, the market movement. The final result is the thing that we are looking at, but not much to you, because if you just come to because of the profit I made, that just will blind you on how you just make decision, because the today market is not for tomorrow. It's not for tomorrow. So you have to make a very nice decision and right decision on selecting the board that you can just use, that will just suit your trading strategy and you are trading the way you trade, okay. Also, let's just see. Okay, I just want to tell you something very, very good. No 100% guarantee strong. And let me be very, very clear. No robot, no strategy can guarantee you 100% profit. No. If you believe if you believe that way, you will lose money. You will just lose it. No robot, no strategy can guarantee you 100%. Also, I shared this also to my Telegram channel, or I shared it to my Telegram channel too. So I sent the TP, whereby the TP one was just on already heated. So we're just waiting for TP2 to be on point, but so it's just people to break even or to hold. So it was just the decision. But so there's no any robot or strategy can guarantee 100% profit. So but we will use the system well. We have to use the system with discipline, with risk control, then can be profitable over time. That's the reality that you have to know. So now this is very important. Why do some people win in the same robot and others lose? I got this question many times. Here is the truth. They use wrong lot sizes. They don't understand the drawdown. They stop after maybe I get a robot today, I stop it after tomorrow. Maybe you risk because you're just looking for the profit. You see someone making maybe like 1k, 3k, 100k, then you expect that on that day, same day, he just going to make it like the way he make it, but you don't understand how passionate that person is inside, how far do that person come from on making that profit. They expect fast money. They interfere with trade emotionally. That's the bad thing. Also, also there is something which is psychology deep. You have to know this. Trading is not about robot. It is about you. If you cannot handle it, passion, pressure, temporary losses, then even the best system will fail you on your hand. Really. The best robot don't fail. The trader fail to understand the process. That's the problem with these things sometimes. How to use this properly? If you want to read that for real, use the proper lot size. Let the robot run. Don't panic in drawdown. Focus on long-term growth. Respect the market structure. This is how it is. So sometimes if you get some losses, don't think that it is over. No. That's the thing. Even a pro trader is just making a loss. There is nobody in this forex trading that who is not making loss. Even if he's just showing you winning, but sometimes he gets some losses. So this trade started on a drawdown, followed the direction and respected the sell structure until the end. You see now we ended on that profit of 1,600 and our capital was still the same, so we doubled this. That is how real trading works. So if you want to learn trading, subscribe now, join my Telegram channel, and if you want this robot, check the number in description. My WhatsApp number is inside there. The market move with precious, the robot executes with logic. That's the thing, but your mindset decide the result. That's the thing that you have to put on your mind when you are trading the robot. So make sure you subscribe if you are interested on this robot, interested with the video on how everything is just inside there. You are welcome to my channel. The one he's talking here is Joe, and let's just build this together. And if you have a robot, maybe you need, we can just trade together. You just come and book your session, and then we just try to trade together, and we share some information together and some ideas together, so as we can all make what we are expecting to make. Thanks and welcome again.